Hey guys, it's Julie from Julie's Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upcycle a clipboard that costs $1 at the Dollar Tree. What we're going to do is we're going to take the clip off and put it on wood to create a picture hanger. Now I got this idea because I was discussing a custom order with a client. She wanted to make something like an organizational piece for her office, and I brought up the idea of possibly taking the clips off of clipboards and putting them on wood for her to clip them on. That way, whether they had stuff on them or not, they would look good. And she decided not to go with that, but you know, the idea went off in my head and I thought that would be a great idea, and that's what I'm going to do. Now, I like the look of clipboards. I would absolutely put them up in my house or put them up in somebody else's house if they wanted that, but not everybody likes that look. And also you can't sell these, but you can definitely take the clips off and put them on something else. So, and I learned how to do this last week actually. Let me show you how these clipboards are held together. They're held together by these things called rivets. And I had these antique ironing boards and I wanted to get the backs off of them so I could hang them up on my walls in my dining room. In my laundry room. And so my husband showed me how to take the rivets apart. So now I know how to do it, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So the first thing you want to do is pop these black metal things off. They're not cute. We don't want those things on there. So I'm going to take those off of each side. And then what you want to get is a drill bit that's about the same size as your rivets. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut into them until the drill eats away at them, and then this piece will pop off. So do that. All right, now it's off and you have this piece. Now I don't want this piece, the little hanger, on here either. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my pliers and I'm just going to pull them off. You just kind of want to go back and forth till it breaks and pops off. There we go. So now we have a cute piece to work with, a little clip, and I'm going to attach them to my wood now. Okay, so I have two clips. One of them I took off earlier and painted black, and I'm going to put that one on my white frame, and then the silver one I'm going to put on my wood frame. And I also painted the little screws black. You can get some little screws to put in at any hardware store or Walmart, wherever. You just want some little small screws to stick in there and keep it in place. And I'm going to use, so I made these frames to fit perfectly in 8 by 10, but the great thing about it, since it's a wood background, is you can add a smaller picture, a bigger picture, but I'm just going to use an 8 by 10 to kind of measure and figure out exactly where I want the picture hanger to be on the wood. And a lot of times I just eyeball it because I find I do better eyeballing it than measuring it. And then you're just going to screw them in. All right, we're all done. Let me put the picture. Oh no, I put them upside down. Oops. All right, you know what? Sometimes I just don't pay attention. Easy fix though. Take them out. Lift them back the right way. Hey, this is my first time doing it. Won't make that mistake again. I'm done. All right. Let me show y'all up close what it looks. I think they look great. It definitely gives a little extra to this instead of putting just a metal clip. So these two pieces, I still have to put the ribbon on the top to hang them, but they're gonna sell for about $30 each. And I think they will look great in anybody's house, and they don't have to change out any kind of glass or anything like that. They'll be able to just clip in and clip out a picture, and it definitely makes it look a little bit more expensive with these clips. All right guys, thanks for watching. I hope y'all are inspired to create some of your own artwork.